Ahi bansai yekdaki riudon sam bakin wan chakman.
Indian Council of Medical Research lani ka Icmr kala pentip baki don Ngut ki Briew ki balaya bit ya ka Jingpang human Metapneumovirus lani ka Hmpv ha Karnataka bakan thop ya ka khulung badang lai banai bat ukhulung ba dang pra banai. Kiba sumar ya ka Jingpang bronchopneumonia but ya kini baro Ngut ki khulung la sumar ha Baptist Hospital ha Bengaluru ha ka baki la yo ya ka Jingkoit ka Bapura. Kum kani ka ju ka Jingpang lalap ha Gujarat ha ka ba ikhlung iladon ha pedeng kamet ka bakot bakya bat ha ka bayadei bat kani ka tanat kadang khmi bnya bha halor kani ka jinglong jingman la penlong ru ya ka jingelang bat menteri ka tanat ka kot ka khya jong ka sarkar pedeng Dinesh Gundurau uba la pentikna ba ka Jingpang Hmpv kamdei ka bakta jur bat ampat don kanu ka kaipot halor ka jingya Briew ula ka ru ba ka Jingpang bakta ya ka kani ka Jingpang ka ya ka jingring bat jingpen hiarmen sim bat kan ne tang kumbasan sngi bat kam don jing ma satya.
In case somebody has cough and cold, he should avoid coming in contact with a lot number of people so that the infection does not spread. And while using hanky or towel for coughing and sneezing, and take the normal medicines that are required for cold or fever whenever it's there. Otherwise, nothing to be alarmed about the present situation.
Influenza-like illness, that is respiratory illnesses. In that, 1% of the illnesses normally are due to this Hmpv virus. So it's a very normal thing, and it is not there's no fatalities in this, and people get it, and they are affected for a few days, and it passes on.
Central District kalayale ting manlap ksai